Magnets. What are magnets? Definition of magnet. A magnet is any material that pulls or attracts other magnetic objects, such as paper clips and nails. There are two types of magnets: natural magnets and man-made magnets. Magnetic field refers to the region around a magnet in which magnetism acts. Properties of magnets. Firstly, magnets come in different shapes, sizes, and materials. These include bar magnets, ring magnets, rod magnets, U-shaped magnets, and horseshoe magnets. Secondly, magnets have two distinct poles, the North Pole and the South Pole. A free-turning magnet will come to rest in the north and south direction, in accordance to Earth's magnetic field. If a magnet is broken into two, each piece will still have its distinct north and south pole. Magnets are strongest at their poles. The middle portion of the magnet has the weakest magnetic strength. Thirdly, unlike poles attract each other. Lastly, like poles repel each other. Let's take a look at the differences between magnetic materials and non-magnetic materials. Magnetic materials can be magnetized, but non-magnetic materials cannot be magnetized. Magnetic materials can be attracted by a magnet, but non-magnetic materials cannot be attracted by a magnet. There are only 4 magnetic materials. We use the acronym N-C-I-S to remember them. They are nickel, cobalt, iron, and steel. Examples of non-magnetic material includes all non-metallic materials and other metallic materials. Some examples are gold, aluminum, zinc, lead, tin, silver, and copper. We will now explore the 2 ways of making a magnet. The first way is by the stroking method. Let's watch a short video on how we can make a magnet using the stroking method.
Now this is an iron nail, which we have often seen. It is actually attracting this particular pin which is sticking to it. But how does this happen? It happened because we created a temporary magnet out of this nail. I will show you how this is done. We will use a single touch method. We need a bar magnet, iron nails, and pins. Let's begin. We will take this iron nail and hold it up. Since we are using single touch method, we just need one magnet. We will run this magnet along this nail from one end to another in one smooth motion as many times as we can. You need to take care that motion is uniform, has similar speed, and is not too slow or too fast. After you think you've dubbed a number of times, bring the nail near the pins that we have here. What do you see? The iron nail is attracting the pins just like a magnet. So the iron nail has got magnetized. Since the nail will lose its magnetic property after some time, it is considered as temporary magnetization. In the single touch method, a single magnet is moved along the surface of the nail in a single direction, end to end, many times. Now make as many magnets as you can with this method.
The magnetic material becomes a temporary magnet when stroked by a magnet in a single direction. The steel bar is magnetized with north and south pole as shown. The second way is by the electrical method. Let's watch a short video on how we can make an electromagnet. As seen in the video, the magnetic material is magnetized with a battery. The electromagnet can be made stronger by winding more coils around the magnetic material, or by having more batteries connected.